Have you ever tried opening Google Chrome on your Android phone, only to find that it just won't open? Maybe the app shows the logo briefly, and then crashes, or nothing happens at all. Don't worry, this is a common issue, and the good news is that you can fix it, easily, and for free. In this guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process to fix Google Chrome that won't open on Android. Whether it's crashing, freezing, or just refusing to launch. Let's get started. Step 1. Check your internet connection. The first and most important step is making sure your connection is stable. Try opening other apps like YouTube or Instagram. If they don't work either, try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or the other way around. Also, consider restarting your Wi-Fi router if you're on Wi-Fi. Step 2. Clear Chrome's cache and data. Sometimes corrupted cache files can stop Chrome from working properly. Here's how to clear them. Go to your phone's settings, scroll down and tap on Apps, find Google Chrome and tap it. Select Storage and Cache, then tap Clear Cache and also Clear Data. Don't worry, this won't delete your saved passwords or bookmarks linked to your Google account. Step 3. Restart your phone. It may sound simple, but restarting your phone can solve many small glitches, including issues with Chrome. Hold down the power button on your phone, tap Restart or Reboot. Once the phone turns back on, try opening Google Chrome again. Step 4. Update Google Chrome. Outdated apps often cause problems. To update, open the Google Play Store. Search for Google Chrome. If you see an update button, tap it. Make sure you're always using the latest version of Chrome. Step 5. Check app permissions. Chrome needs permission to access the internet. Here's how to check. Go back to Settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Find Google Chrome and tap it. Go to Permissions and make sure all necessary permissions are turned on. Step 6. Try using incognito mode. Sometimes, saved data or cookies might be the issue. To test Open Chrome, tap the 3 dots at the top right corner. Choose New Incognito tab. Try visiting a website. If it works, the issue might be with saved data or a faulty extension. Step 7. Reset Chrome settings. If the problem still continues, it might help to reset Chrome completely. Go to your phone's settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Find Google Chrome and tap it. Then tap Force Stop, and then go to Storage and Clear Data again. This will reset Chrome to default and should solve deeper issues. Step 8. Open Chrome. Tap the 3 dots at the top right corner and select Settings and tap on Privacy and Security. Scroll down and tap on Use Secure DNS. Select second option, which is Choose another provider. Tap on drop-down menu. You'll see several options. Select on Cloudflare or OpenDNS. Then go back and select Safe Browsing and tap on No Protection. And that's it. Most of the time, these simple steps will get Chrome working again in just a few minutes. No apps, no downloads, and no cost. If this helped you, don't forget to share it with someone who's having the same issue. Thanks for watching or listening, and see you in the next guide.